Hi everyone, welcome back to learnautomation.com. This is Mukesh. So today we are going to discuss about the APM. So this total video will talk about introduction part of APM. So before jumping into mobile automation, you should know some of the basics of mobile uh, applications that we have currently in the market. So there are so many different tools in the market that perform the mobile automation, but as of now, the most popular and frequently used tool is called APM. So there's some other tools as well which support both the platform like Android and iOS, but it's not free. But APM it's completely free and it will allow you to automate almost every kind of application. So just have a quick history and introduction about the APM. So APM is an open source tool for automating native mobile application and hybrid application. So what is this native mobile hybrid application? We will be discussing in the next slide. So as of now, you can see it will automate every kind of mobile application. It support both the devices like Android devices and iOS devices as well. So I have done one POC as well where I found almost 13 tools available in the market that perform the mobile automation. But I found APM is the tool which is open source and which support every kind of web application, plus it support both the platforms. So I will highly recommend go with the APM. There's so many tools in the market which are paid and very you can say handy to use, but if your organization is giving you restriction like they have to use open source free tools, then APM would be the best choice. So it's a cross platform. So as we have seen, we discussed in the last point, it allow you to write test against multiple platforms, okay, using the same API. So it means you don't have to write the separate code for Android and iOS. You have to do a small change in the program, only the startup code that will allow you to run in the iOS or Android, but the remaining code will be same. So you don't have to worry about the code part of it. So the same code will work in both the devices, or you can say in the both the platforms. Okay, it support multi languages. So as we know, Selenium support seven languages as of now. Previously, it used to support five languages, but now it supports Java, JavaScript, C Sharp, Ruby, Python, PHP. So it supports almost every programming language that is present in the market. So Appium also supports multi languages. I will show you in just a minute. So as we discussed in the point one, like it will be able to automate native mobile web and hybrid application. Since now everyone is using mobile, so you will be able to relate this slides very easily. So one is the native app. So native app is like the app which runs on a device. Okay. So take an example of WhatsApp. Okay, it only works in your you can say device, but it doesn't run on the browser, right? You cannot do WhatsApp on your browser. Now they given one flexibility. I think last 2 months back I got like you can do this WhatsApp from the Chrome browser. There's one add-on they provided, but still you can consider WhatsApp as a native application. It doesn't run on the browser. So there's so many application like games, right? So some games you can only play on your device. So that kind of application will be considered as a native applications. Second one is the web application, or you can say web view. So there are so many applications in the market which runs on your device and which runs on the browser too, right? Or I think let's take a separate example here. We will stick to the only the web view. Let's say I have an example here. Uh, some applications. Take an example. Just let me check here which application we run. So you can take an example of my blog. Okay, so my blog only works on the browsers. Since I don't have app for my blog, so whenever you try to open link of my any of the posts, it will open in a browser, right? So this kind of application will come under web applications, under mobile, or you can say web view. So the last one, that is the combination of native app and a web view, that is your hybrid application. So some applications are hybrid application which works on your mobile browser and which works on your device too. Right? Take an example of Flipkart, Myntra, Amazon. So they have like hybrid kind of application which runs on your mobile device and they works as a application as well. Okay, so these kind of application we can automate. All three kind of applications we will be covering in future. So don't confuse with this. Okay, native application, web view, and hybrid applications. So I want to show you one Appium official site here. Uh, yeah, so this is the Appium official site here. You just visit Appium.io and you will get a very good UI here. They have given everything almost like the complete documentation with tutorials too. So in the documentation, they have listed down the documentation based on the release which they have given. So till now they have given so many release. The latest version is 1.4. Okay, so they have given in tutorials as well. Like if you want to automate any iOS application, there's a separate tutorials, and for Android there's separate tutorials. And you will see you will not be missed with any of the method. Everything they have covered here. So getting from the native Android automation, get starting, Appium Ruby, writing your test, running your testing, conclusion as well. And as of now they have given documentation for Java and Ruby. Soon they will be adding so many options as well for C Sharp, JavaScript, and other languages too. And let me go through it. Oh, it's not navigating. Let me forcefully go to Appium.io. Okay, and you can see there's so many examples which they have given here which you can refer. And the good part, it also comes with the what you can say recorder. You can record your scripts and you can run it. So as of now you can see it support your robot framework, .NET, Java, Node, Perl, PHP, Python, and Ruby as well. So I'm about to cover robot framework in upcoming days, so just stay tuned. And I found robot framework is very interesting as well, so soon I will be creating videos on robot framework too. Apart from that, there's one separate section called history. So if you're interesting and if you're a kind of guy which keep loving reading, I will highly recommend go with the history part of it. Okay, so they have given very good history and you will get the exact how they have evolved. Okay, so that's all for this video. Once we move forward, I will try to cover each and everything. Okay, so yeah, they have given a small video as well, which you can refer here. And these are the certain requirements, okay, for iOS and Android. So this is another part which we'll cover later on. As of now, let's stick to the introduction part. And I hope everyone is ready and clear with the actual concept which I want to cover here. So in case if you have any doubt, just let me know. Just drop me an email to my email ID, that is mukeshotwani@learnautomation.com. Okay, so we'll have a good series and just do the things parallelly with me. Soon we will be end up with good automation script for mobile devices too. Thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, you can share with your friends too. Have a nice day. Bye bye.